Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I am participating in Tammy Powley's at Peacecraft Love Dolls with Tammy Powley's collab for Steampunk. Each month, Tammy gives us a word. Anyone that wants to participate in her collaborations, she gives us a word each month, and then we develop a dolly video around it. And I was looking so forward to this one. God love Tammy, she sends these words out like way early. You have plenty of time, seemingly, to get all these, to get it together. Well, time ran out, and as you can see, my girls are behind. One's still in her ugly Christmas sweater and the other one's sitting there in her Valentine's Day dress. They like to sit around and talk about it rather than getting it together, even though they had all the pieces to make steampunk items. I love this stuff. Look at this. It is fake pleather, but it stretches a little bit. I love that. I'm gonna make some pants out of that. I bought all sorts of little pieces and bits and charms, and this cute hat for either a Blythe or a American Girl, 18-inch girl. Love this. I was gonna, make a purple dress with this over it to match, and I had all these big ideas. So here's my motto to you. Don't put off today what you can do tomorrow. Wait, I said that wrong. What is it? See? Now you know why I'm behind. Don't put off for tomorrow what you can get done today. Because tomorrow things may change, or you get busy, or you're in an accident, or someone comes to visit and you have to put your crafts aside. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.